Hello everyone, I'm Ahmad Makhlouf. Welcome to this video series on Excel 2016. We'll go through select topics that will help you perform basic and intermediate level Excel tasks with ease, speed, and confidence. Having that said, let's get started. Welcome to the very first lesson in this series. We will go straight to the Excel structure. If you can see here, we opened an Excel file. The whole Excel is called as workbook. In the middle here, you will see the name of the file, book 1, because we didn't name it, didn't give any name yet. So this is, as a whole, is called a workbook. The workbook, if you look down, may consist of one or more sheets. Here you can see sheet 1. If you add the plus sign, you will add another new sheet to the workbook, sheet 2, and you can navigate between different sheets from this area. If you look up here, the very top thing is called the quick access toolbar, where you can find the save button and other buttons, and then this is the main area you will navigate through, which is called the menu bar. The menu bar contains menu tabs. Each tab, for example, is home tab, insert tab, page layout tab, formulas tab, data tab, review tab, view tab, help, acrobat, and the file tab. So you can navigate through different menu tabs. Each tab has its own options. This area, the whole area here, belongs to the options of the home tab, and this is called the home ribbon. So the options of one tab are called the ribbon. If you go down here, this is called the name box, which displays the selected cell name or the selected cell range. And here this is called the formula bar. And it's worth saying that Excel is divided into a number of columns named A, B, C, D, blah blah blah, and number of rows starting from 1 and going ascendingly. Every cell is referenced by two things. The location is referenced by the column number followed by the row number. So here this is B2, this is C3, this is D3, and so on. Here also down you will see the zoom bar. You can zoom out or zoom in to maximize or minimize the view, and you will find two scroll bars, the vertical scroll bar and the horizontal scroll bar as well. You can enter the data easily. Just click on any cell and type what you want to type. So if you look here, the data that you can enter can be classified into three types. You can enter text like John here. You can enter number, and currency is one of the numbers you can enter, and you can enter a date in Excel, and the format will be classified into these types accordingly. Also, you can select cells or a group of cells, which they call cell range. This is called a cell range as well. If it is an empty selection or empty cells, it's called cell range. If it contains data, it is rather called data range. Let's hit the file menu. Here you can save the Excel file or save as. If you choose save as, you can save on this PC and you can browse where to save. Go to the options of saving. This extension is XLSX. You can also have other extensions such as PDF, which you can use sometimes, and if you need to save it as macro, so you have macro enabled workbook, which is XLSM. Well, this concludes the lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. See you on the next lesson, inshallah. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and click the notification bell to be notified every time I post a new video. Bye for now.